If your drain pipe joint is leaking at the coupling, fixing it is way easier than you might think. First off, check if the coupling is loose. Sometimes just tightening it with a wrench can stop the leak right away. If tightening does not do the trick, inspect the gasket inside the coupling because a worn or cracked gasket is usually the culprit. When you spot a bad gasket, replacing it is your best bet to get a solid seal and avoid water damage. Make sure you turn off the water supply before trying any fixes so you do not end up with a bigger mess. If you are swapping out the gasket, clean the pipe ends and the coupling thoroughly to help everything fit snugly. Use plumber's grease on the gasket to make it easier to slide in and create a better seal. After reassembling, run water through the pipe and watch closely for any drips or leaks. If it still leaks, double-check the coupling itself for cracks or damage and consider replacing it entirely. One of the top 3 common mistakes with drain pipe joint leaks at couplings is over-tightening the coupling, which can crack the pipe or deform the gasket, making the leak worse. The fix here is to tighten just enough to stop leaks, but not so much that you damage parts. Another common issue is ignoring a damaged gasket. Some folks try to fix leaks without replacing old gaskets, which rarely works long-term. Always swap out a bad gasket for a fresh one to keep things watertight. The third problem is not cleaning pipe surfaces before assembly. Dirt and old sealant can prevent a good seal. Taking time to clean every part before putting it back together saves you headaches down the road. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors super easy for homeowners who want quality work without the stress. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their services, so everyone wins.